Oh boy. The old Nightmare on Tone Street. Here we go. Back inside of that EH185 Gibson, the old Gibbo, the old Gibbons, and just loosened up some retention clamps for these old firecracker caps. Not firecracker, but this old style of multi-section caps. And it's in bad shape, as you would expect. It's an old girl. So I will be working on this today. See if we can clean this up. The wire is so old. This is just what you see. It makes working on these old amps very challenging. But then again, you don't retain all these old leads anyway. So that's why the cloth covered wire tends to last a long time. It's not as subject to dry rotting as the old rubber stuff. But anyway, we'll get back to you. Hope you guys are having a good one. Bye-bye.